So today in this video I am going to teach you about keyframes, and the zoom out which is happening right now is keyframe. So we are going to go deep inside keyframes, that about easing and how to create basic keyframes and etc. So let's start. So as usual, let's open our DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to create a new project on keyframes. So let's import some media to create keyframes. So I have uploaded some media inside our DaVinci Resolve. So let's go in the edit page, media pool, and let's import our media. From here you can zoom things or position them. Okay, this is a simple photo PNG, and I'm going to set a keyframe. Now you see these diamond icons right here. These help us to create keyframes. Now create keyframe for which you want. I want to create a keyframe for zoom. So let's press on it, go some frames forward till here, and let's zoom in a little. So it creates a nice zoom in it like this. And you can go on the first keyframe. You can go on the first keyframe and the last keyframe. Where you set the keyframe, these diamond icons get red. Like the ending keyframe is here, so it's getting red. My starting keyframe is here, so it gets red. Now you can create keyframes for anything like position, rotation, anchor point, pitch, yaw, flip, and etc. You can also create the keyframes for cropping like this. Let me give you an example of cropping. I will start cropping keyframe from here. I would like to crop from left. Start it from here and end it here. This crops from left. Now you can see the crop. Now we can see the keyframes from this small diamond icon. You can see it on the cut page also. If you go on the cut page right here, let's click on it, and this small panel will open. You can make it a little bigger. Okay, see this panel. Now it's showing the transform group, which is this one. This is a whole group which contains the zoom, position, rotation, and etc. So if we close this, our zoom goes, because we have used a keyframe in zoom. So it shows the zoom X and Y. And cropping, we have used only crop left, so it shows only the crop left. If we also make a keyframe crop for crop right, from here till here, it will crop from right also, and it will now show here this crop right. So you can close the groups of transform and cropping. Now we can only see the keyframes used in the group. You can also move the keyframes to make it faster or slower, or change the position of the keyframes like this. You can also lock them, so from mistake you do not move them. Right now if you are editing something, so from mistake you just do not move them, so you can lock this. You can see the same thing here in keyframes panel. So this was all about this panel. Let's close it. This keyframes panel, it has everything similar. You can just see all the properties. And now let's come on the easing, which is the smoothing of the animations. Right now these animations are so like sharp, and they are very not realistic. Like start at a very sharp edge. So let me show you. If you go here on this icon keyframe curves and click on it, then you can see these animations. I will create animation for position. Right now I will delete the script with the media pool again. So I have brought this image of this cursor and now I wanted to move it from here to the end to here. So I will first change the position of it. Okay, then I will set a keyframe for position. Let me go on the starting. Okay, now I will set a keyframe for position and move some keyframes forward till here and bring it the end. Till here. Now if we see the animation, it's so fast, like it's very fast from the starting only. Now if you drive a car, it starts slowly and goes faster and faster and faster. It's like very fast from the starting only. See, so we do not need that. Go in the keyframes panel here on this keyframe curves icon, and now you can see the animation. Right now it's so linear, like its edges are very sharp, you can see. Now people face a difficulty that they cannot go in this page. If they go in this page, they cannot see this thing. So let me tell about it. If your transform panel is closed where or the anything is closed where animation is done, like in the cropping or the transform, right now my transform is off. These curves are like gray, so if I will go here, I cannot see anything. But if I will click on them, they will turn white, and if I will go here now, I can see my animation. So let's talk about these icons, these buttons here. So this button is to change the animation, like from here you can change the animation. I don't want to change it, I want to stay it as it is. And if you grab this tool, it's just the same, but it does not changes the position of the keyframes. Like if you are editing something and you don't want to that your keyframe gets disturbed from anything, so just press on this button and the keyframes cannot move now. And this puts a keyframe. You can put a keyframe anywhere. This helps you to add a keyframe. And now let's come on this linear ease in, ease out. This is called what is easing, and in easing the animations get smoother. Like right now, if I play the animation, it's so sharp. Okay, so if I click here, if I select this tool, and select everything like this, I will select like this all the animation, and if I click here on ease in and out, it will smooth it out. Let's see the animation now. Now it's like a little slower on the starting, and its speed goes up and slows down again in the ending. So you can make it slower at the starting and faster in the ending. You can make it like this. You can grab this handle, okay, to edit it. Now you will see it slower in the starting and faster in the ending, like this. To do opposite of it, just reset it and grab the handle of this, okay. So it will be faster in the starting and slower at the ending, like this. And this feels very smoother than the past. And the ease out is used in the like starting and is used in the ending. And from like the default it selects linear. If I select linear, like it makes the sharp edges, and this gray part means that this is the whole duration of the frame, like the clip ends on the end of this gray part. Okay, and you can add another keyframe and control it from anywhere. I wanted to go it back again. Let's see how it goes. I will make this also smoother by easing. You cannot just click this button, it will do it automatically. I grab the handles. Now you can see these smooths, like these are very smooth animations. Let me make this ease out. Let's see. So this was all about keyframes. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, share the videos with others. Until then, bye bye.